Hi, Vincent here with slashphone.com. I've got a new box in from Parrot. This is the MK6000 Bluetooth audio kit, which is the top of the line. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Very small. I'm pretty excited about getting this thing in because this is definitely going to make my life better because I'm always traveling in my car. First up, we have the actual controller that hooks up to a module that you install inside your car, and there should be a mic in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. This is all the car kit that we would need to install inside our car to make this thing work. And this is actually the mic that you would actually mount to somewhere in your car. And then basically what this will do is you can stream audio music from your phone to your car, or you can actually use this to talk while you're driving, and it's much safer for you. And that's a wrap for this unboxing of the Parrot MK6000.